Hey guys, here's how to make a scalper cry. I was going to say how to kill a scalper streams, but that seems a little too rough. So this is the '83 Silverado from that camo series from Walmart. I had a couple extras sitting around, and I'm like, I've always wanted to do a square body pickup, but this is probably the best side, and you can kind of see I have some issues with it. I used a chrome pen here, so to do those fender skirts. This is actually Duplicolor Metal Spec Blue. So it's a really nice color. And it really pops in the sunlight. You can see the metal specs. Of course, my camera's not going to do justice to it because it's an iPhone 5 camera. I'm getting an 8 Plus. It should be here in a couple of days. So I'll be taking better pictures and better video. I did the grill. I did the headlights. And that's the okay part, but you can see where there's parts of it that paint did not lay, or one lay really. And then here's where it really gets messed up. So when a little too hard with that chrome pen, you can actually see parts of where the original color of the truck was. Paint didn't really lay here. That fender is not continuous. I don't know what the three little silver dots are from, but hey. And then we also have the tail here, which is really where paint didn't lay, and then you can see brake light looks busted because there's more red paint. And then I tried to do brake lights, but hey, brake lights aren't easy to do on this truck because they're not really laid out. So, but yeah, this is how to make a scalper cry, because this is one of the most scalped vehicles from what I've seen on eBay and stuff. So, but I don't know, man. Me, I wait till I can find them or get them for a decent price on eBay. I'm not paying, uh, $2 for a $1 car that, okay, it's in this packaging, and they you can't find too many of them. Yeah, that's just me, guys. I mean, Hot Wheels makes millions of cars to go everywhere, so why spend all that money when you're going to find it? Because it was another car I was looking for. I think it was like Brian from Fast and Furious, the Ford Escort, and I had found like five of them right after I was going to spend uh, $5 to get this one car. So, but all right, guys, that's that. I probably should have done this in a better location, that way you could see. But some of the little light specks of silver are actually the metal flake, and then I had to do this a couple of times, and this is done with like white underneath it, which, if you guys remember the '64 Impala, you'll know that's my trick. I just thought I was doing too many JDM cars and wanted to do some more like lowrider stuff, like what I originally started out. Um, Again, with my customizing, when I get better, when I'm actually allowed to lift, because I've got a drill that I think weighs more than a gallon of milk. Um, it's a drill from the '50s. It's a Black& Decker 1/3 of a horsepower drill. But anyway, when I can lift and do more, I'll probably do muscle cars. Like, I'm gonna try to vary it up upon customs, because I know, like, everybody seems to love JDM right now, and lowriders kind of, you got a cult following there, and I guess I would consider this more of like a daily driver, and that's why it's got dings and like the brake lights busted out there. But I guess you could imagine seeing this in like a driveway of a house in like Texas or the suburbs. I don't know. So I'll see y'all later, guys. Hope you like it. That's a really cool shot, by the way. You can see like the grill detail. So, all right, guys. See you later.